Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elam. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair install featuring ISEE hair. I just want to say thank you so much for sending me the hair, and y'all look at how flawless this looks. It's glueless and it looks like my scalp. It's giving scalp. It's giving I was born with this hair and you can't tell me nothing. So this is ISEE hair's M-Cap Wear Go wig. And let me tell you something, this wig is everything. It's beginner friendly. It's good if you're on the go and you have no time, or you just want, you know, a flawless install. It's definitely for you. So inside the box comes this cute little envelope with an extra band and then some combs and wig caps and then information on the wig and the lace and everything. Let's get into the wig. So I got the 26 inches 180 density straight texture wig, and here's why it's special. So this is a 9x6 pre-cut HD lace. It's the best for glueless because it's super stable and lets you do versatile hairstyles while maintaining a snug fit. It gives you lots of room and space for like updos and stuff like that. Look at the tiny knots and the HD lace. And I like to add foundation just to blend it in a bit more. It also has the C-shaped ear protection design, so it can go perfectly around your ear. Look how perfect the match is. Like stunning. Now I'm just fitting it onto my head. Also, they've upgraded the cap design, so it has the movable and removable combs inside, and you can switch it up for more comfort. And look at how easy it was for me to install. Literally flawless lace wear. I don't know. And then one of my favorite things is the mini knots. Like the knots are so tiny you can't even see them, and I love how it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so it looks so natural and blends seamlessly with your scalp. You can't even tell I'm wearing a wig. After the install, you know, I just brushed the hair. I used hairspray to get rid of the frizz, and that was kind of it. This literally took under 5 minutes, and the way that it comes perfectly ready for you, the lace is pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, it's already perfectly straight. It's amazing. Put on your foundation and you go. It's completely beginner friendly. It saves you time. And the C-shaped ear design is so comfortable, especially if you wear glasses, and it fits perfectly without any adjustments. ISEE hair really did their big one with this one, and it's just perfect. So everything will be linked down below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you end up getting it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in my next video.
Down, down on the